What is area? Area is the amount of space inside the boundaries of a 2D shape. So it's the amount of space inside the boundaries of a 2D shape. Now what do we mean by this? Well, here we have some examples of 2D shapes. The area is just the amount of space inside the 2D shape. This is the area there. This is the area of a triangle. This is the area of a rectangle. And this is the area of a parallelogram. Why did I underline the words boundaries and 2D shape? Well, what we mean by boundaries are that it's the space within the edges of the two-dimensional shape. And what we mean by 2D shape is that the shape is flat. It is not a 3D shape. So it's the space within the boundaries of a 2D shape. So it's the internal space. What are the units of area? In other words, how do we measure area? Well, area is measured in square units. So for example, in this trapezium, the dimensions of these trapezium are in millimeters. So the units of the area of this trapezium will be in millimeter squared. For this triangle here, the dimensions are in centimeters, so the area will be in centimeters squared. For this rectangle here, the dimensions are in meters, so the area will be in meters squared. And last but not least, this parallelogram here, the dimensions are in kilometers, so the area will be kilometers squared. So here I've given you some examples. Now what would be the units of area of this rectangle here? You should immediately notice that there are two different units of length here, centimeters and millimeters. Now, whenever you work out the area of a shape, you must make sure that all the units of length are consistent. So what we can do here is we can convert the millimeters here into centimeters. 50 millimeters is 5 centimeters because we divide by 10, because 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. Therefore, 50 millimeters will be 5 centimeters. And so now the area, the units of area of this shape will be in centimeters squared. Now here we chose to convert the millimeters into centimeters and make the units of length here consistent into centimeters, but we could have chosen millimeters and converted the 10 centimeter here into millimeters, and that would have become 100 millimeters and worked out the area in millimeters squared. So you have a choice here. You can either work out the area in centimeters squared by converting the 50 millimeters into centimeters, or work out the area in millimeters squared by converting the centimeters into millimeters. It's up to you.